Welcome to our video on the top 5 sweetest fruits on Earth. Fruits are one of the true wonders of the natural world. They are naturally sweet because they want to be eaten. This is part of the survival strategy of the plant. As the fruit matures and ripens, it gets sweeter and more appetizing. So, which are the sweetest fruits? Let's find out. Number 5. Pomegranates. Who'd have thought that those jewel-like seeds in pomegranates were so high in sugar? Pomegranates require quite a lot of effort to eat, as picking out the tiny edible seeds can be quite time-consuming. However, they are definitely worth the effort. Each red seed tastes like a cross between cranberry and strawberry, with an intense sweetness. Number 4. Mangoes. The flesh of a mango is dense, juicy, and packed full of natural sugars. These tropical fruits have an intense floral flavor and aroma, like a combination of peach, pineapple, and papaya. Number 3. Figs. It may surprise you that figs come so high on the list of the sweetest fruits. These little delights are so sweet that they are like eating honey or fruit jam. In fact, figs were used as a sweetener in ancient times before sugar became more commonplace. Number 2. Grapes. You know when you've got a bunch of grapes in the fruit bowl and you just can't stop snacking on them. Well, it is probably due to their intense sweetness. The level of sugars in grapes varies according to the variety, but top-quality table grapes are one of the sweetest fruits out there. And finally, number 1. Jackfruits. A few years ago, none of us had heard of jackfruit, and now it seems to be everywhere. However, jackfruit is more commonly used in savory dishes than sweet, which is a surprise considering its high sugar content. So there you have it. The top 5 sweetest fruits on Earth. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.